So most and them, everything else becomes so much simpler. So, the three core ideas, the first one is implied context. There are things you inherently know but never bother telling Claude, but Claude wouldn't assume them. That's your writing style, your speaking style, your active projects, your communication preferences. Every session you start from scratch. That makes Claude guess quite a lot of those things, and Claude has no idea who you are. I mean, there is some memory, but that memory is limited within the chat feature. But Cowork fixes this with files that remember everything that you have ever talked to Cowork about. And that's inside the system, which I will be showing you. So, Claude always has the full picture before you even type a single word inside Claude. Now, the second big idea is rule stacking. This is the engine that makes everything work, and this is the breakthrough with Claude Cowork. Now, the way Claude has designed this is that rules don't conflict, they stack one over the other. So, first you have the rule hierarchy. Let me explain this better with a graphic representation. Everything that you build inside is working on this system. First of all, there's Cowork, that's the root level, level 0. And then inside this Cowork US, the root constitution, sits the projects underneath, or your headquarters or centers. And then everything is handled through prompt words if you need to, but you can also chat with your Cowork setup. Now, all of the files that you put inside all of these folders are just plain text files. This is things you inherently know, but you forget to tell AI about these sessions. And then when the previous chats are lost, then you again have to start keep putting in the context. So that includes your writing style, active projects, communication preferences. So these files remember it for you. So Claude always has the full picture. And then rule stacking, which I just explained, that one sits over the other. You don't have to go into the architecture too much, but the whole concept is that the root level, you have only three files and they govern the entire workspace. Every session starts here, and every time you start a session, Claude Cowork will go back to these three files. First is the Claude MD file. Now, this is your master instruction memory. It basically reads Claude.md before the start of every session. So it writes into Claude.md. Yourself with understanding this whole setup. Now, what you will do next is that once you create a folder like Claude OS, I've created Claude Work OS. What you do is you just drop the claude.md and memory.md, customize it to your needs. And once you've done that, create a subfolder called 00 underscore resources. Inside that, you can drop the voice principles.md. You can use the reference file that I've shared in the link claude.md and memory.md and a resources folder. So very quickly, there are two types of workstations that you can create. First are like universal workstations that work across the board. Like you set up a email headquarter. That email headquarter will be basically, you set a goal for it, like I want an inbox zero workflow rules. pretty much it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one soon.